This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Susie Burns. A private location in Majorca Courts. You will find this Vuesta floor plan located on Lake Pineda with easy access to the Coronado Center amenities and Glazy Peau Gate. Swim dock and kayak or canoe launch for enjoying Lake Pineda, which is currently being dredged by POA. Updates galore. Open plan with divided bedrooms, generous kitchen with pullouts and pantry, walk-in closet and walk-in shower in primary. Heat and air both inside and outside in 2021. Yard art does not convey. THA $92, garbage $17, POA $90. Agent RMKS. For more information, review the details below or contact Susie Burns at 501-922-8989.